Hi Scorpio! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. Okay. For Scorpio, please. Scorpio. April. Okay. Yung month ng April might be importante sa'yo or memorable. Okay. May magandang nangyari nung buwan ng April. Significant event. Bird flying. News is on the way. Okay. News is on the way for Scorpio. Positive news. Okay. May magandang balita. May magandang balita na paparating sa inyo. Meron kang matatanggap na good news. Diamond. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Okay. For some of you, meron kayong pagbibigyan. May bibigyan kayong regalo. Okay. A gift, or you will be the one that will be receiving it. Okay, Scorpio. A precious gift box. You will receive a gift. Okay, it's a confirmation. Makakatanggap ka ng isang magandang regalo. Okay, Scorpio. Maybe from your person or from someone na importante sa inyo. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Okay? Merong hidden secrets. Be careful with that, Scorpio. And ingat din sa mga tao na inyong pinagkakatiwalaan. Throne, position of authority. Okay, for some of you, meron kayong magandang posisyon sa isang trabaho. Okay, sa company ninyo, okay? You are a decision maker. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Scorpio, please. Messages. Ano yung mga gabay or paparating for Scorpio? Please. Messages and energies. Mga gabay. Paparating for Scorpio. Yes. Okay. You are manifesting. Okay, Scorpio. Manifesting na may magandang mangyayari sa inyo, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong negosyo. Okay, you are a powerful person. You have everything. You have the resources, the talent, the capabilities, and the skills na kailangan para magtagumpay ka sa inyong ginagawa. Maalam ka sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong field. Scorpio, okay? Temperance. Balance and moderation is needed sa inyong ginagawa. Pakalmahin ang sarili, okay? If you are losing patience. Yeah. Pahabain ang pasensya. If you are in a situation or may mga kinakaharap kayo na mga issues, okay, na kailangan ng inyong pasensya, please do so. Be also considerate to someone. Okay. Truth will be delivered. Okay. For some of you, you are victorious. You have brilliant ideas na naiisip. Okay? Okay. Merong clarity sa isang sitwasyon. And now, you are leaving that situation. Okay? You prefer peace. Scorpio. Okay? For some of you, ayaw mo nang maki-involve sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Na hindi naman nakakabuti sa inyo. Yeah. Okay. For some of you, you are getting advice from a person, someone who is in authority or may mataas na ranggo din sa trabaho. Okay? You will seek advice. Merong mga desisyon na kailangan gawin about sa sitwasyon. Okay? You need to be logical. You have to balance your mind and your emotion at the same time in making a decision, Scorpio. Your skilled work is being rewarded, okay? Masipag ka. Okay, gumagawa ka ng paraan para ma-improve ang inyong ginagawa or ang inyong trabaho. Hina-harness ninyo ang inyong skills. Nakafocus kayo sa work. Marami kang gustong i-achieve or madami kang gustong i-achieve. Okay? Parang meron kang goal na ina-achieve, Scorpio. You are dedicated sa work mo. Yes, of course, hindi yan nawawala. May mga tao na nakikipag-compete sa inyo. Okay? Maybe you are also in a situation na magulo. Or, yeah, hindi pagkakaintindihan, sala-salabit. Yeah, parang kung team nga kayo, pero wala kayong direksyon, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are competitive at work. Fortune is on your side, okay? Merong changes, positive change na mangyayari. Things will move forward for you, Scorpio. Yeah. For some of you, merong kaayusan, yes, na mangyayari. Merong forgiveness, closeness in the relationship. Maybe sa katrabaho mo to, okay? Partnership, at work. Merong pagkakaintindihan and forgiveness. Okay. Knight of Wands. Yes. Someone wants to take action regarding partnership. Okay, but be careful with this person. Very impulsive. Okay. Sometimes you will question his or her intention or yung credibility niya, okay? Yeah, someone wants to partner with you or gusto makipag-ayos, okay? Yeah. Yeah. He or she is saying that he is on your side, okay? Or she is on your side. Okay? But maybe just for a moment, a day or two. Yeah, so there is a question of credibility of this person. But there is an action, okay, going towards you. Gusto makipag-ayos, okay? Parang in favor siya sa inyo. Justice. Do what is fair and do what you think is right, Scorpio. Kung meron mang pagkakagulo sa isang sitwasyon, magkakaroon yan ng positive resolution, okay? Fair and balance. And favor is on your side as well. For some of you, you are dealing with Libra. Okay. Pero merong someone nag-overthink, okay? Parang ina-underestimate din ang sarili, okay? Or nagtatalang isip, nag-iisip kung makipag-ayos or hindi. Gagawa ba ng action na para makipag-ayos? Something is like that, no? Something na ganyan. So, ito lang yung mga energies, okay? Just take what resonates for you, Scorpio. Okay. Kaperahan. You have the Midas touch, Scorpio. Okay. For some of you, you are a decision maker. You are thinking about sa stability ng isang organization or ng inyong company or ng inyong business. Okay, you have to make long-term plans para sa inyong negosyo or sa inyong ginagawa. Be strategic. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Merong someone na parang doubtful or negative thinker na maging maayos ang isang sitwasyon. Okay? Indecision also. Yeah, you have to make a wise decision, Scorpio. Wise, and at the same time, fair. And parang ito lang din yung tamang desisyon na kailangan gawin sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Yes. You are just doing what is right para sa company mo, or sa trabaho mo, or sa business mo. Okay? You're just being wise, and at the same time, you're just being just and fair para sa lahat. Protect yourself. Protect what is yours. Scorpio. Okay. Merong hindi sang-ayon sa mga desisyon mo. Okay. Yeah. Meron talagang hindi lahat, expect mo na yan na hindi lahat ay sang-ayon sa iyong mga desisyon, sa mga actions mo, okay? Protect yourself. Okay? And choose your battles wisely. Do not waste your time sometimes sa mga negative thinker or hindi naman nakakaayos or nakakatulong sa sitwasyon. Okay? Protect your interests as well, Scorpio. Okay. Yeah, kung meron man hindi pagkakaayos sa trabaho, may pagbabago na mangyayari, okay? Things will move forward. Magkakaroon ng agreement, okay? Or pagkakasunduan. Magkakaayos, merong forgiveness, okay? Aray ko. Okay? So, someone will take action para makipag-ayos. Okay? Merong events, creative event na mangyayari. Okay? For some of you. Partnership. Yeah. Merong someone na determined na makipag-partner sa inyo, Scorpio. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with an Aries or Capricorn. Okay. Libra, Sagittarius. Okay. Aquarius. Yeah. Protect what you have. Protect what is yours, Scorpio. And choose your battles wisely. Okay. Tingnan natin. Merong emotional contentment. Okay. May kasiyahan sa family. Happy home life. Emotional and material needs are met. Yeah, there is stability. Merong offer. Pagdating sa kaperahan, you are safe. You are secured. Meron ka lang kailangang pagdesisyonan. Yes, merong travel. Okay. Maybe international. Merong sense of pride dahil may natapos kayong isang project or isang trabaho. You feel good about it. Yes, very nice. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga mensahe from the spirit. For Scorpio, please. Scorpio. Scorpio. If you pay close attention, you will notice all the doors that once closed are opening up, just in a different form. Things may not appear exactly as you had envisioned. Okay. Tingnan natin from the angel number. Message please for Scorpio. 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 Your messages for Scorpio. Okay. Number 29. If you keep saying the number 29, you are highly intuitive and creative. Your mind thinks in pictures and you seem to draw information and ideas from out of the sky. A powerful drive to know the oneness of all things. I am insightful. Yes, you are insightful, Scorpio. So, these are the messages for you. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!